Ronnie, I'm sorry to say this, but we are going to have to let you go. We know that you have been a part of this company for about 15 years now, but for personal reasons you should leave the workplace. Oh, come on man, you know that I have 12 kids to feed and child support for about 10 more. Why you doing this to me? I haven't missed anything in the workplace. I have been sober for the past 5 years I've worked here. What makes me different from all the other workers? Ha ha, well, is it hot in here? Well, you see, like we said before, it's just a personal issue. I have never committed a felony and you know it. They accused me for killing her but they had no evidence. Wait, is it because I'm black? No, that's not how I roll, homie. You know it ain't nothing about a G thing. I love my colors. I eat fried chicken once a week and my children Clara and Robert love grape Kool-Aid. I ain't disrespecting nobody in his house. I know a player got to get his cheddar and make that paper and I feel you, but you're going to have to take that somewhere else, you feel me, homie? First of all, I can't understand anything you just said. Secondly, that was racist. And third, I'm out this bitch. Peace. Oh, well, I'm happy you understand, Ronnie. It's nothing to it. Much love. You're a funny guy. I'm probably going to violate your every hopes and dreams. Have a good day. Big.